Ooh, get the shirt. I need to put some more respect on my T game. Okay? But what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Good Luck Chuck, and we back on another Lucky
Tuesday!
That is right. It is officially summertime. That means the pools are open. Hopefully your Memorial Day weekend was fire. Okay, but what I have for you guys today, oh man. So we have some more DBZ Super Packs to unlock. Okay, for the warm-up right now. Now for the main event. Right? Because the anime has been so fire. We have some One Piece that we're going to crack open for y'all. Hoping to pull some heat, baby. Alright? Without further ado, let's get to the cards, baby. Okay. Here we go. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm going to start with gripes today. Right? Now, I can tell you 100% that I am tired. Ooh, okay, cooler. Oh, my boy Vegeta. I can 100% tell you, I am tired of breeding. I don't know how Brock does it. I don't know how Brock consistently tells people that he's a breeder. Ooh, Android 18, looking flashy. This is the Awaken. Another Android 18 card. Nice, nice. That's right. I am officially tired of seeing Yoshi eggs. It's just, I think it's taking a toll on me. I'm trying to breed perfect minds, and it takes a while. Android 17. Whoa, Vegeta, GT Vegeta. Right, so I was breeding a Riolu. You know, Riolu is the baby form, so those can't breed. So I have to evolve. Right? I have to evolve. Oh, another Android 17. Aw. It's the 18s. Because you know Android 18 runs after. Right, so you have to evolve it, and it has to evolve based off friendship level. So you have to raise it, then you can evolve it, then with the Lucario you can breed it. So Cumber, I have no idea who Cumber is. It already got the Super Saiyan 3 hair though, or should I say the Raditz hair. And ooh, some golds. And a Super Saiyan Cumber, whoever he is, but fire. Okay, I'm starting to feel the warmth, okay? Blood's boiling from all of the eggs I've hatched and how angry that has been making me. On top of that, pulling some straight fire from Dragon Ball Super, right? A lot of these cards I've never seen before. Ooh. Okay. That's kind of fancy. The swirls in that. Super Saiyan Goku! Look at him going unconscious. He about to tap into something crazy. Fire. Okay, so we are still in Wano in the anime, and the anime is fire. They have upped the fight scenes to another level. And oh wow, is that Ace fighting Teach? Look, he got the sun at his fingertips. Fire. Fire. Okay, now what's really exciting me about the anime is how layered the animation is. Okay. Okay. Whew. This Don Court is fire. It's your boy Sanji right there. Paying homage. Ooh, one of Big Mom's daughters. Right, so this past episode with Zoro, really layered. They have his hockey, spelling out his name. You just gotta take it frame by frame and just look at all the layered elements in this current art style. Is he missing a chunk in his head? Or is that the shine? Alright, we are looking to pull Sniper King out of here. That would make my life amazing. We have Nami. But yeah, I was on Instagram when I saw that somebody did the frame by frame of the animation, the fight style between Zoro and King. Like they killing it with the fight scenes, and I'm in love. Like, I'm probably gonna watch it again. Oh, Zoro getting sunned by Mihawk. Whew. See two swords broken. See all the blood right there. Alright, I'm super excited to see how they animate Gear 5. Ooh, Ace. Fire. Ooh. She's got a sinister devil fruit. Okay. But yeah, that's what's been going on in the anime. I'm super stoked about. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Okay, long nose. Ooh, buggy. But yeah, I'm super pumped to see how they do it. Lucy. Okay, let's see what fire this set got for us. Ooh, so far we've been pulling some things. 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 Come on. So last time I opened this set, we didn't do too hot. I'm trying to see some special rares, super rares, sacred rares. You know. And that's fire too. Literal fire. You got the sun right there. So I'm trying to bring some heat to y'all. Put y'all up on game. That One Piece cards be fire. Ooh. The Black Canary look. See, now that's got me thinking, should I collect all the CP9 members? I don't know if I should do that. I mean, they definitely in the set. I wonder what else is in the set. I should have looked it up, huh? Oh, just me flying at the seat up. Look at your boy Usopp. Okay. Look at him. Telling lies. Crying wolf, as they call it. It's a nice card. Okay. So it's nice seeing that Usopp card. Maybe, like I said, maybe Sniper King's in there. Fingers crossed. Ooh. Was Kokoyashi Village with Nami, her sister. I don't remember her name, unfortunately. And Bellamere. That's where Nami, you know, grew her tangerines. Or learned about growing tangerines. Pachow! Ooh, another one? Okay, maybe not all of the CP9 cards are hollow, so maybe I won't collect all of them. Listen, if it's got some shine to it, I'm interested. And then there are some artworks without hollows that are pretty fly. That one's pretty fly. That's a whole shark maybe, looks like. I like that one too for reason. The sword she holds. Okay, we dwindling down. This is the last three. Big Mom. I think this name is Jongo. Okay, final two. Alright, let's see if we can pull. Maybe we go a little slower this time. So we can see the artwork. Alright, I'm gonna move my hand out of the way of the light for y'all. Alright, right? Enos Lobby. What's that, Napoleon, I think? Boo! Perolik. Yo, that's fire. This is one of the major villains. Sinister. His name not Sinister, it's Perolik. But that's fire. Ooh. Ooh! And speaking of heat, don't forget the road to 100. We're trying to give away this beautiful Blaine Moltres. Alright. Well, a lot of you guys clearly don't know when the first episode was. Nobody has taken a stab at it. So we're going to come up with something a little different for somebody to win this lucky Blaine's Moltres. Alright. Now all I want you to do is like, comment. You have to be a subscriber to win. And what I want you to comment down in the comment section on this video is your favorite pull by your boy Chuck. Alright? That's all you gotta do. And then you could be in the running for this beautiful Blaine Moltres. Japanese. I don't know if, you saw. But yeah, Pocket Monsters on the back. OG. Alright? Let's get back to the cards. Alright, I don't know how we're gonna top that, but that card was sexy. Little candy person, devil fruit, if you will. Right. Let me get my hand out of the way, like I said. Oh, the memories. I gotta go back and watch from the beginning. I'm sorry. Oh! Okay, this is one of the few Marines that I like. And this card is flames, baby. Flames. It's not Sniper King, but this is a delight to see. What's his name? It's Fuji something. But yeah, he has the ability to call meteors from space down. And he's blind, might I add. He be beasting people. Swordsman. I think him and Zoro will have to fight one day. And if the animation keeps up, woo-hoo-hoo! But yeah. But as always, I'm Good Luck Chuck. This is Luck Studios. Peace.